breaking update now that's coming in. We are learning that the process now possibly is on to suspend Parambir. So we could be looking at that big announcement by the end of the day, where there is now a very, very strong possibility that Parambir Singh could be suspended. Yesha, what are we learning?
Yes, so now top sources from Maharashtra government have said that the process to suspend Parambir Singh is on, the former Mumbai Police Commissioner. That is important because Maharashtra government has taken cognizance of the fact that he came back to Mumbai but did not appear on duty. They have also said that appearing before a police station does not count for appearing in Maharashtra, and 7 months he's been away from duty, and which is what has been taken cognizance by the Maharashtra government. Now, they are also saying that a sitting officer cannot be away from the duty for so long, and the reason that decision for suspending Parambir Singh was not taken in this meeting, in the cabinet meeting, is because Parambir Singh, because CM has been unwell. The decision to be suspended will be taken by CM and Deputy CM, and which is why now the fact that CM had attended this cabinet meeting only virtually, the decision is still pending. So, but our sources have confirmed that the talks are on in the higher up of the Maharashtra government to suspend Parambir Singh. So now this has come as a big blow for Parambir Singh, despite the fact that he has already come to Mumbai and is coordinating with the investigation. But any of these investigations and appearing before the police does not count. He will have to go and appear and be part of his duty. He'll have to go to his office and appear and count and say that he has, and inform the authorities that he is resuming duty all over again, which is where it will count. Because now, even as of now, the fact that it's been almost more than 6 hours that Parambir Singh has been inside the Goregaon in the Kandivali crime branch, we understand the line of question for Parambir has been to understand his links with Sanjay Puname, who is another accused in the case. In fact, a very big point that is coming out of the investigation is to understand Parambir's properties and how he misused his position in the power, how he misused his position wearing the uniform, and how he acquired his properties. This is something that's very key importance, which is still being investigated. Yes.
All right, so Yesha, breaking that big story and that big update right now here that the process is on to suspend Parambir, and very soon we could be hearing an official decision. For the moment, Yesha, thank you.